Yeah.
Rolling.
First thing you have to shut the camera down. So now
let me know if you have any questions about where anything goes.
Power up the monitor. And that's off, and then you gotta get this cord. To get this cord, you twist it, and then you just pull it. Get rid of this. And then on the back of the monitor, there is another those type of cords, and then you just twist it and pull. And you gotta be careful because they're nursing. And then I'm gonna do, gonna take this, the party part. It's just like this. And you put it on, the box works.
That's the battery, right?
Yeah, this is a bar. Hold it. And then you're good to try. Okay. You put it in your little bag. So it won't get lost. I think this is your bag, right?
Yeah, what does it say on the outside? Does it say for cables and stuff on the outside?
EVF cable.
Okay, then yeah, you're good.
And then you get the, what is this? Oh, that's right. You unscrew this. This little nose. And just line your hard drive.
Yeah.
Alright, put it in. Where this goes?
I think the red drive goes right.
Oh yeah. Put in the case. Now you take this cord, pull it, and then you unscrew this right here.
That's good, yeah. Totally unscrew it. Yeah, that was kind of hard to get at. Go ahead and keep doing that stuff.
Now we're going to take the shot right here. That goes to in the hole.
Same box?
I think it goes in the same box. Does it goes in the same box?
No, that one goes in the bottom of that box.
In the bottom of this box, right here.
So, if you're not sure, we can always check the list.
Alright, yeah. Now, unplug this. You pull the little nut thingy. You pull this apart. Get in there. Put it back. And then you unscrew this bar right here.
Don't rush when we're on set. You're going to want to rush, but just, take your time. Make sure you do everything right.
Then we have a bag for this. You put it in the bag, so that goes right here. Then you take this back. Left in, you see. There it goes. Now if you find this, I'm just going to pull this. Get the cord out. Save this in a little bit.
So all the cords should be in there, right?
Cords, yeah, go in this little bag. Now, remember, you gotta press the pin to get it up. This goes on this side. What's this?
Yeah.
Right here. Remember, we got our little list.
That was nice. They didn't do that for us last year, so I'm glad they did that.
Now you take this part. You're gonna screw it. And there's a pin right here that you have to push to get it out. It goes right here to home. Goes right here?
Yeah. Believe so. The other one, I think.
There you go.
That's fine.
Now you take this mount. Push this part.
I was still alive.
And I think this is very simple. Goes right there. And that's all for it. Now I'm gonna take this. How is this called? Box what?
How do you take it off?
No, how do you call it? Box? Pen box or?
Oh, matte box.
Matte box.
Yeah.
Invented by a guy named Matt.
Matte. Now.
The bottom, it's on the rails.
Oh yeah. You lose this. And then just pull it out. Make sure you gotta cover your lens before this goes, and just let it go right here.
And what you want to do with that one, it's kind of hard to forget, but remember, we have this piece that pops out that just goes in one of those slits.
I forgot about this piece. You gotta pop it out. Let's put it right here. Is this covered with this foam?
No, that was for the flag, but don't worry about it right now.
It goes right. Right here. And I'm gonna take this part. You just pull it out. And then you just unscrew this part right here. I don't know if you can see it. All the way. And just pull it out.
Now when you package this, undo that and put that down all the way just so it's easier to fit in there.
Alright.
There you go. And those are the two pieces that get bubble wrap.
Over this. This came with the camera, or you have to buy this separately?
No, that came with our rental package, yeah.
I mean, but if you buy the red camera, it
Oh
doesn't
no, yeah,
say-
you have to buy everything separately. You have to buy the matte box separately. Or, I mean,
No.
unless you get like a package deal.
I'm gonna take the camera buddy down, so make sure this is locked, because yesterday we have yeah. So use unlock. Oh, the lens, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we can do that later. That's cool.
No, I'll do it right now since
Okay.
it's to take the lens off. You just gotta.
And here, when you do it, it's good to just have these parts handy, just so
Alright.
that way you can cover up right away.
So you just push this. Oh my god. There it goes, and then you just pull it.
What's Lucy?
Just cover your lens and put it in.
And there's the body cap. No,
Man.
forget about that.
Yeah.
And that's the same way you put a lens on. You have to line it up and. There you go.
Now we're ready to take this.
And here first, let's get these rods taken off. Yeah.
This goes right here. And now.
See, now last time, for some reason it didn't work like that last time. I don't know, I think it's because we put it on wrong and this time we put it on right, so we were having trouble with this pin catching it.
The